Hey everybody, it's me, Sophie from Sophie's World, and I have another installment of my Drawing with Sophie. That's right, this is a class where I take basic shapes like circles and ovals and egg shapes and squares and turn them into something fun and interesting like, I don't know, a lion. So come and join me as we do a drawing class. For this project, you will need paper, a pencil, an eraser, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. So the first thing that I'm going to have you draw is a big oval right in the center of your paper. So a big oval, kind of looks like a jelly bean. Just a big oval. Okay, now I want you to draw two circles at the top of that oval. One circle and two circles. And then inside this circle, you're going to draw another circle on either side here. And then right on the outer edge here, do a tiny little circle. Like that. Now, what I want you to do is draw a medium-sized circle about 2 inches away from that head there. And then on the other side, you could do this one a little teeny bit higher. Draw another circle. And now, from this circle to your oval, just draw the letter C. See, like a letter C. And on the outside, make a slightly bigger letter C. Now on this side, you're going to do a backwards letter C, or like the top of a B. And like you did on this side, you're going to do another one on the outside of it. Very good. Now, in these circles here, I just want you to make a long, skinny triangle. So see, there's your long, skinny triangle. And do that on the other side too. A long, skinny triangle. Like that. And now, let's give a big smile. So just draw a smile. Like that. And now we're going to do a bunch of legs, basically, for our crab. And so what you're going to do here is you're just going to go up and over, and then from the bottom here, just go back up to the body. And you're just kind of making another letter C, like you did up here, but this time the C is facing downward. And you need 3 of these on each side. And now we're going to come back with our pen and go all the way around these edges and things, and we're going to get rid of a bunch of parts. So let's start up here at the claw. So start with your triangle, go down and out, but don't fill in that area right there. Go to the outer edge, and then when you get to that letter C, just go right to the letter C, then come up and go up and over the eye, and then go over, up and over the eye, go around to the other arm, swoop up, come around the claw. Don't go to this area here. Go down that triangle, up that triangle, then down the outer side of the circle, go to the outside of that backwards letter C, then come down, and now go to these moon shapes or C shapes, backward letter C's or moons, whichever you want to refer to them as. Then come around to the front here, do your moon shape, come across the belly. Now do your C. And again, remember, these little spots, we're not going into those areas because those are going to get erased. Come down, up, and your last letter C, leg, and then we're going to come up and do the last letter C, arm. So now you're at that claw, come up and around to finish that claw off. Now let's get our smile. And let's do our eyes. So I come around here, and I'm going to do the big circle in the middle there, and then the tiny circle in the middle there. Come around the eye here, do the big circle in the middle, and then the tiny circle in the middle. And now you can come back with your eraser and erase everything. And then take your crayons or your markers and color them in. And I just want to show you these eyes here real quick. So I've got them all colored in with red. And then the reason I did this little circle is that's going to be what I call the shine. So I'm going to take my eyeball color and I color in the eye, but I leave that little one, that little white one, that little teeny white circle to be kind of like the shine in his eyes so that he looks like a happy crab. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying these art classes as much as I am. I promise I'll keep bringing them to you. But in the meantime, if you want more stuff, check me out at Sophie-World.com. And remember, stay creative and curious.